A mentally handicapped touts dreams to own a 5.5 million shilling 33-seater bus and redeem his family from abject poverty flopped when a Thika-based bank repossessed it due to non-payment of loan arrears of 400,000 accrued in a period of 3 months under mysterious circumstances. Peter Njoroge, who is 33 and dumb, born with physical and mental disability, bought the bus from savings that he built up while working as a tout at the Thika main stage, where he used to save a minimum of 20 Kenya shillings daily for a period of 10 years. Manchester Sacco directors had ordered fleet managers to compel all the drivers to be given Njoroge 20 shillings from every bus daily, consequently opening an account for him at a local bank.